What is ghost mode in Woo app? So if you tap on smiley in bottom right and then you tap on ghost icon, this is ghost mode. So here you can just select what your friends can see. Where are you exactly on the app, or is there some blurred location? So you see your friends and then you see three options. There is like a precise location and you have the specific icon for that. Friends set to precise will see your real-time and accurate location. Then there is blurred location. Friends set to blurred will see your real-time location, but in the general vicinity of where you are. Can see that you have blurred them. Frozen locations will see your last location prior to being frozen and will no longer receive location updates. And then friends set to frozen can see that you have frozen them. So then, yeah, you can just tap on friend and then you can select like blurred, something like that. So that's the idea. The ghost mode in this app is similar to other apps, map apps, like Live 360, where it's called like bubble mode or something like that. So in this app, you can just see where your friends are located on the map. But if you don't want them to see exactly where in the city or where you are going in that place, you can just set exactly in the ghost mode how your friends want to see you.